Madaling araw. Alauna na madaling araw, guys. Masyal si Superiman. Air Asia kami, guys. Masyal kami ni Superiman. Tokyo, Japan. Yeah. Oh. Bye-bye. Yeah. Excited siya pumunta ng
Tokyo, Japan.
Tokyo, Japan. Dito kami sa Ninoy International Airport. Air Asia papuntang Japan. Excited na si Iman. Mamamasyal eh. Mas may boy.
Thank you for waiting at your sir. Would like to invite guests to the zone 3 or your H1Z to 190 block for Nagasaki coming or now from 8103.
Ready na si Superiman sasakay. Man, sampot naman. Alis ka na naman?
Going to Tokyo, Japan now.
Wow, masaya siya eh. Bili kami ng Voltage 5. Bili ka ba ng Voltage 5, man? Ha? Yung 7,000. Apartak ni Superiman nga magmag na. Excited eh. Seperti aeroplano man Manong aeroplano nagsakaya mo ni Man? Ha? How many flight? Oh, Air Asia ito. Na kami sasakay ni Superiman. Air Asia. Correct, Superiman. Yung breakfast si Superiman sa airplane. Nagutom eh. Bumili kami ng pagkain niya. Ayos naman mo, hindi naman kamahalan ng pagkain. Ayos ah. Mangan Iman.
Naman yung bubos. Bus na, Jo. Pinagit natin.
Manuel, smile. Ay, video pa. Touchdown Narita International Airport. Safe landing sa Buriman. Touchdown.
Dear guests, we inform you that we have landed 54 minutes ahead of our schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon.
Iba ngayon ito, bababa si Ima, no? Yan. Parang imbudo pala to, ah. Ah. Iba ngayon to, sa ground kami bumaba eh. Oh. Ayaw niya yung nangyari ngayon. Ah. Bumaba tsaka tumaas eh. Ah. Ito. I-roll mo na yung luggage mo. Ha? Good boy. Ito yung airport ng Japan. Yan yung sinakyan namin, no? Air Asia. Malaki din pala. Tingak ni Super Ima na yun. Nagpartak na tumaray. Na kami. Ah, thank you Lord. Mayroon palang elevator dyan eh.